Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Evoque 1.5 P270e Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Tribeca Blue. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 20-inch multi-spoke gloss dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing against the Tribeca Blue exterior colour. This vehicle features keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, you can see that you have an electronic boot lid. Once open, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. Now, this car has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 9,926 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you're travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. If you can't, you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You of course also have your 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes and wade sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. You also have your 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Now, the front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days and those colder winter ones, and this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on the Range Rover Evoque 1.5 P270e Autobiography. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.